Last night we had a clogged sink. So I was thinking, should I call a plumber or should I try to fix it myself? Well, my pride told me that you have to try and fix it yourself because it might be really easy. And it turned out it was really easy. When you buy one of these, they're quite cheap. I think they're called a auger, or I don't know how you pronounce it. That was actually the hardest part in unclogging your sink, is to find out what you call these ones in English so that you can search for a freaking YouTube instructional video. But I found them finally. And yeah, super easy. If your kitchen sink gets clogged, go get one of these and you fix it yourself. It smells like crap, but I mean, it's worth it. You have to also consider this as a house owner, especially. What should you outsource and what should you do yourself? Because I know if I invest time in my business instead, I'm gonna increase my cash flow. Whereas when I spend an hour looking at YouTube instructional videos and another hour working with the unclogging of my sink, I could have worked instead and increased my cash flow. So this was, I mean, I lose money on buying a cheap tool like this and fixing it myself. There's no doubt about that. But sometimes when you live in the countryside, it's rather nice to be able to get your your plumbing working right now instead of having to call someone and fixing it. But there's also another thing. I mean, it's also quite satisfying to fix and mend things. So maybe this shouldn't be thought of as maybe this should be on the fun account instead. Yeah, it's fun to mend things. So this was like investing money in funny things. Yeah. Good luck with your plumbing and have a really nice midsummer if you're in Sweden. See ya.